Now it's time to customize our footer area using our themes customizer for Brizy free users. And before we customize our footer area, let's go quickly to plugins, add new, and let's search for social icon widget. Then you'll find that plugin in here. Make sure you install and activate that plugin, as this will be adding some cool social icons to our footer area. And once you do that, head to your home page, then click on customize to edit the themes customizer, then select footer. Here we already have our footer bar enabled. Let's go to footer widgets, then selecting that layout to enable footer widgets. And this is, by the way guys, footer area created by Brizy Pro. Of course I'm not gonna keep using both of them. So here you can customize color and background. If you'd like to add an image for background, you can do so from here. You can change color or upload an image. And from here you can customize its size as well. However, let's go back to footer bar. Here you have your copyrights. If you would like to remove bar by, that's totally up to you guys. And from here as well you can change layout. And also you can add a section 2 if you would like to add more text or even more widgets. However, I think 4 widget areas are enough, so let's go back and add them. They are not existing in here actually. You can find here in widgets, and from here you can add 4 different widgets. This area 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's go quickly and add them. Widget area 1, add a widget. Here you can select from different widgets. You can add calendar if you would like, gallery, image, navigation menu or pages. I think we can select that one for now, or even navigation menu can be nice. Let's start with that one first. Especially if you have too many web pages in your website and you would like to place them in the footer area, this could be a nice option in here. You can choose a title, something maybe like sitemap or quick links, or even maybe something like learn, contact, portfolio. So let's type sitemap for example, and you can sort your pages from here, either by title or order or page ID. And you can find your page's ID in each page's URL when you're previewing them, like that page in here. I think here you'll find preview ID. That number is your page's ID for that page, which is our services page in that case. So let's go back to our customization. You can place them in here separated by commas if you'd like to show them in a specific order. And you can even add more widgets in the same area by clicking in here. However, let's go to area 2, add a widget. We can also add a menu. And if you have more than a menu, you can show different ones from here. So let's select main menu, and we can type menu or something like that in here. And let's go to our third area, add a widget. And in here we can add our social icons. That's our newly added social icons. Selecting that one, you can choose a title in here, and you'll find different options in here like show icon labels if you'd like to show them, and aligning options if you'd like to align them to left, center or right, style for each and every icon, and even size. And you can set also a color for all icons, turning them into a single color icon, which might be helpful in some art directions. And you can customize hover color from here as well. And here you need to insert your social links, Twitter, Facebook, and so on and so forth. And if you'd like to add more social icons, you can click add more. And this could be it for your footer. You don't have to add a widget area 4. However, if you would like to, you can go back, area 4, add a widget, maybe add a search. Of course, if you have an e-commerce website, you can add products in your footer area, you can add categories, tags, and stuff like that. Actually, I think that's quite too much, so I'm gonna delete that one, remove. And let's maybe change background color for that footer area as well. Going back to footer, then let's select footer widgets, background, selecting color, I'm gonna paste our code in here, and we need to do the same as well for that part. So let's go back, bar, background, select color, pasting our color code as well in here. Now that's our borders color, we can remove that from here or change its color. So let's make it gray first, see if we like that. I think white will be better, and if you don't like it you can remove it from here, set that one to 0. Then let's publish that. And that's simply how we customize our footer using our themes customizer. Hope that was an easy one for you guys. Take care, and I'll be seeing you in next one.